Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn how to talk about your feelings in Filipino. Let's start by learning about feeling or damdamin. Here are our most common feelings. Happy, masaya. Sad, malungkot or nalulungkot. Angry, galit or nagagalit. Annoyed, inis or naiinis. Afraid, takot or natatakot. Let's go through it again. Happy, masaya. Sad, malungkot or nalulungkot. Angry, galit or nagagalit. Annoyed, inis or naiinis. Afraid, takot or natatakot. Now let us use these words to express your feelings. I am happy. Masaya ako. We know from previous lessons that I am is ako. I am sad. Malungkot ako. I am afraid. Natatakot ako. Or you can also say, takot ako, and it works just the same. The pattern from these examples is that we started every sentence with the word for the feeling. And what you see here is the simplest way to express how you feel. But why are you feeling that way? Why? Bakit? Let us expand the sentences to explain why. Let us start with why you are happy. I am happy. Masaya ako. I am happy because you are here. Masaya ako kasi nandito ka. Because, kasi. You, ka. Here, nandito. Now let us do a quick side lesson because of that word nandito. You would have noticed in previous lessons that the word here is dito. But when we are saying someone is here, we add a nan to dito to say nandito. It works the same for when people are here, nandito. Let us continue. Let us expand the next sentence. I am sad. Malungkot ako. I am sad because you are not here. Malungkot ako kasi wala ka dito. Not, wala. And here, in this context, is dito. Let's move to the next sentence. I am afraid. Natatakot ako. I am afraid because it is dark here. Natatakot ako kasi madilim dito. Dark, madilim. The pattern from these sentences is that we started it all with the word for the feelings. And when giving the reason, we say kasi. Let us look at another set of examples. I am annoyed. Naiinis ako. You can also say, inis ako. I am angry. Nagagalit ako. Or you can say, galit ako. Again, the pattern is that we start the sentence with the word for the feeling. Next, let us expand the sentences to explain why or bakit. Let's expand this sentence. I am annoyed. Naiinis ako. I am annoyed that you are late. Naiinis ako na late ka. That is na. Now, what about that word late? Late is huli in Filipino. But in everyday Filipino, we will more likely use the English word late. Let's move to the next sentence. I am angry. Nagagalit ako. I am angry that you didn't call. Nagagalit ako na hindi ka tumawag. Did not, hindi. Call, tumawag. Here is the pattern. We started the sentences with the word for the feeling, then we used the word na before the reason. Let us look at a different way to expand the sentences. I am annoyed. Naiinis ako. I am annoyed with you. Naiinis ako sa iyo. With, sa. You, iyo. Now you might ask, previously we said that you is ka. In this one, you is iyo. What's the difference? We do have a separate episode on pronouns, but here is a quick side lesson. You are late. Late ka. We use ka when the other person is the doer of an action or is being described. In this case, the other person caused the annoyance, the one who is late. Let's move to with you, sa iyo. We use iyo when the other person is the object of the feelings, which in this case is the object of the annoyance. Now let us continue with the next sentence. I am angry. Nagagalit ako. I am angry with what happened. Nagagalit ako sa nangyari. Happened, nangyari. In the Filipino version, we omit the word for what. The pattern here, like the previous examples, is that the sentences started with the feeling, the word for the feeling. What's different is that to indicate to whom or to what the feeling is directed to, we use the word sa. When someone asks you why you feel a certain way, for example, why are you sad? Bakit ka malungkot? You won't always have a direct answer, and here are some examples. I am not sure. Hindi ako sigurado. I am not, hindi ako. Sure, sigurado. Here's another one. I do not know. Hindi ko alam. I do not, hindi ko. No, alam. I cannot say. Hindi ko masabi. I cannot, hindi ko. Say, masabi. Now let us look at some examples where you say you don't feel a certain way. I am not happy. Hindi ako masaya. I am not sad. Hindi ako malungkot. I am not afraid. Hindi ako takot. Now our feelings have different levels of intensity. For example, I am a little bit happy. Medyo masaya ako. A little bit, medyo. I am a little bit sad. Medyo malungkot ako. I am a little bit afraid. Medyo takot ako. The pattern here is that we put medyo before the word for the feeling. What if our feelings are more intense? I am very happy. Masayang masaya ako. Very happy, masayang masaya. In Filipino, we double the word when we feel it intensely. I am very afraid. Takot na takot ako. Very afraid. Takot na takot. Now, what is the difference with the first example? We used masayang masaya. When the word ends with a vowel, like in masaya, which ends with the letter A, we attach an ng or ng at the end of the first iteration of the word. When the word ends with a consonant, like in takot, it ends with the letter T. We use na, na, as a connector. I am very angry. Galit na galit ako. Very angry. Galit na galit. Here are some more words for feeling or damdamin. Worried, nag-aalala. Excited, sabik, nasasabik. Pleased, natutuwa. Ecstatic, tuwang-tuwa. Upset, masama ang loob. Again, worried, nag-aalala. Excited, sabik or nasasabik. Pleased, natutuwa. Ecstatic, tuwang-tuwa. Upset, masama ang loob. Here are some starter sentences for you. I am upset. Masama ang loob ko. I am pleased. Natutuwa ako. I am ecstatic. Tuwang-tuwa ako. You can use these starter sentences for your practice. Try to expand them using what you have learned in our lesson today. Now, I have put together the list of words that we have used today and some more words for you. You can download this.
If you didn't know, the list of the words will be linked in the description.
So that is our lesson today. For your homework, I want to encourage you to write down how you feel about things in Filipino. And then, practice talking about how you feel with others in Filipino. I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye.
Bye!